Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 5th, 2026, and we're diving into Burlington's fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Burlington has delivered a robust performance this quarter, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Burlington reported total sales of $3.64 billion for the fourth quarter, an 11% increase from last year. Comparable store sales also rose by 4%. John, what does this tell us about Burlington's market position?
This growth indicates strong consumer demand and effective sales strategies. The 4% increase in comparable store sales, on top of last year's 6% rise, shows Burlington's ability to attract and retain customers. Their net income of $310 million and adjusted EPS of $4.99, which beat the forecast of $4 to $7, further highlight their profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite challenges like tariffs, Burlington managed to increase its adjusted EBIT margin by 100 basis points in Q4. How did they achieve this, and what are their plans for 2026?
Burlington's strategic actions to offset tariff impacts were highly effective, leading to a 22% growth in adjusted EPS for FY25. Looking ahead, they plan to open 110 new stores and a distribution center, with a sales growth forecast of 8 to 10% for FY26. This expansion reflects their confidence in capturing more market share.
Financial health and shareholder returns. Turning to Burlington's financial health, they ended the quarter with $2.16 billion in liquidity and $2.8 billion in total debt. How does this position them for future growth?
With substantial liquidity and a manageable debt level, Burlington is well positioned to fund its expansion plans and navigate any economic uncertainties. Their active share repurchase program, with $59 million spent in Q4 and $385 million remaining, underscores their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO Michael O'Sullivan expressed optimism for 2026, citing both external and internal factors. What strategic initiatives are driving this bullish outlook?
O'Sullivan highlighted their successful margin expansion and the potential upside in their sales expectations. Burlington's strategic positioning to aggressively chase sales, coupled with their guidance of 1%-3% growth in comparable store sales, reflects a strong foundation for continued success.
Key takeaways. In summary, Burlington has delivered a strong performance with significant growth in sales and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and expansion plans for 2026 are promising. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. Burlington's results are indeed impressive, and their outlook suggests continued growth. It's an exciting time for the company and its investors.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Burlington's performance in the comments below.